I was doing whakairo at school, but never really making my own ideas like come to life. Once I moved here is when I started like opening up to my creative side. I started having a look around at everyone's mahi and noticing that I'm in the same wānanga as these like amazing people, and then that's when I was like, if I'm here, I can do something like this. It's really expanded my like thinking and the way my creative brain works. My current idea started off as one thing, and then through all the kōrero, it's like grown into like a much bigger thing. Some of my main ideas are things like continuation, connection, generations, and revitalization. And my expanded idea is how the generations, or a generation or so before me, fell off, and there was a stigma that was created around Māori people. This generation, we want to bring back the mana and the reputation of Māori people starting from the younger generations. So we want to show like how beautiful our culture is and return back to how our culture should be seen.
I presented the idea to a kaumātua and I said, well, we've got a waka up here. And of course the argument started then, who is the waka and blah, 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 all that kōrero that goes, who is the waka? And I said, well, it's going to be a waka wairua. Our house is a house that moves into the future. And when you get on this waka, either having lain there for a few days, you get on your waka and you go out and you're off into the future wherever you're going. Or when you come in like you are now today, doing your kōrero, at the end of the day, you'll go out and you'll go out into the future as you go through that door. So that was the whole concept of the house.
So Ivy was quite significant for me because the historical stuff associated with Ivy and where it comes from was the same as ours, same history as ours. That it was brewed as an alcohol beverage for rongoa. And Bob said to me as my supervisor, it's a weed. I said, just like colonisation.
So if you want to express yourself but you don't know how, this is like the perfect way, because you don't even have to like think you're good at art. Something will always come to you in any way. And we've like, in this one, we've seen that. We have carvers, we have poets, we have painters, we've got weavers, we have someone who does everything, musicians even. There's always something that can be your way of expressing something you feel strongly about or something you want to share with the world.